Hello guys, welcome to Programming Bro. I am RK. In this section we are going to understand some HTML tags and going to create our first website. First we have to create a HTML file. So we are going to add a new file. Then I am going to name it index. Then extension will be HTML. Extension will be HTML. Now we are going to understand HTML tags, how they work. Now I am going to add a doc type. Means if you don't know what doc type tells the browser the type of file, which type of file is. I am going to tell this is HTML. Oh, this have been replicated. Oh no. So now I am going to add HTML tag. HTML tag is the entry point of our website. Means in HTML we have to code. In this tag we have to code. In HTML we have two types of tag called head and another is body. In head tag we have to include our CSS files and how you have to import some meta tags and giving title to our website and adding fab icon to our website. Let's think. We have to give title to our website. Title TITLE. Oh no, I getting spelling mistake. TITLE. Then here cut the website. Tut1. I'm going to name this like. No, I'm going to name Tut1. I have tut dot html. Tut1. Now we have to add some tags like paragraph tag, which I had told you in previous video. I'm going to use paragraph tag here. Like in paragraph tag you can add a paragraph. Means think there is a snippet in a code. Because I'm using a code, so I can use that snippet. Lorem into 1. I think this much will work. Oh no. Lorem, just give me a paragraph. Now Lorem 1 make a paragraph for me for this content. Now I save this file. Oh no. To my YT-Tutes, means YouTube Tutes, then basic HTML. In basic HTML we have three files: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First we are going to focus on our HTML file. I am going to save this file here. Now runs the code. I am going to use Chrome browser. I'm going to cut this my project which I am working on yesterday. I'm going to my bookmarks and I'm going to index my. Then I'm going to my parent directory, then basic HTML basic. Then I'm going to open this file. You see this, there is paragraph which we written in paragraph tag. Why we are getting these small letters? If you know that our website will automatically take desktop size, means it will show the content which will appears in desktop. If you want to give maximum width which support your Android, then you have to add a tag called meta. Now see how can we add the tag. We have to add the tag before subtitle, the meta. Oh, meta. Then meta, can we add name, will be viewport, I think viewport. Then content means what is do this time, means it help us to make our website responsive. If you don't know what is responsive, means our website should respond to the size of our device or media. Like width will be taken as display width. Then our initial scale will be 1.0. It will 1.0. Then I am going to close this tag, then save. It's complete. Now there will be change in our website. Think. Now I am going to press yes. You have seen this change which we are appearing in our Android. Width is taking the width of our Android now. Now you must understand how we're going to create our website. Now I think I must do using this. I'm going to add some paragraph here. Now you can add another paragraph tag. Oh no, p tag. Then I'm going to lorem into 2. I'm going to add span tag here. Then it's auto format my page. A code have a facility auto format when we save our file. I'm using that snippet only. Nothing. We have added on more. Another. If you want to break this line which is in this file, means I want to think. Get here. I want to take this much part its downside, means I want to break the line. So I am going to add a tag called where should I'm going to add its man between. I'm going to explain what is span tag in future, not now, so don't worry. I'm going to add br tag here, means break. I have told you in HTML we are going to use shortcuts of many tags. Now there will be change in our document. Let's see what will be the change. Hey, we broke the line which are inside our paragraph tag. But this is a good practice for web development. No, this is not a good practice. First we have to use our div tag, means the div tag work as a divider, means which divide two elements from each other, like think. I'm going to add a div tag here. Div tag. RK programmer. I am RK programmers. This content will showing in this. As you will, there is no surprise here. I am getting the I am RK programmer here. But what will be the change if I am going to change this? Means I want to add another paragraph here. Think. This I'm going to use span tag. I'm going to explain in future, but not now. hello world. Think hello world. You think the line will be comes down, but this is the not matter. We have to break the line using BR tag. But using BR tag is not a good practice for web development, I had told you now. So we have to use a tag called div tag. Now I am going to change this tag to paragraph tag. You must understand what we are doing here. In paragraph tag we have a I am RK programmer, another is hello world. Now is getting merged when you start adding your file. You want that your hello world become next line, so you can add div tag here, div tag, then div tag I am going to add I am RK programmer, then I am going to cancel this extra tab. There will be a change now. Yes, we get hello world at next line. Now for this video we have learned very much about HTML and we have created our first website. So we are not going to use BR tag here. From today we are going to use div tag. So remember that we have to use only div tag. Hello guys, bye bye, tata, see you again in next video.